we will going to start for today's database sessions. So let's start for today. And I'm just asking why there not so many present. And from batch two, only Sai and Akash. Where are the others from batch two? Sefali, you do one thing. From next, you please want the reason for why they are not joining. If they are not joining, I will remove from the group. That already
Yeah, okay, sir.
okay. That already I do with the Python batch one in the previous. So those who are not willing to join sessions, I will remove from the group directly. Okay. So all of you are storing the data. Done.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay.
All done.
Done. Okay. Sandeep, you please share your screen.
Okay, sir. Yeah, from the scratch, I will run like
Yes.
create database. It is already created, so it is showing error. Now run a database. Now it is running. Now checking the salesman table. This is the table I have created.
Okay.
And now checking customer table. This is the customer table.
Okay.
And this is the information of the salesman table I have filled.
Okay.
And this is the customer table information.
Okay.
Now here is the first query done. Now second query show name and commission for from salesman table. So
Okay.
here is the name and commission. This is the name and commission. Now run second query. Now this is the second query.
Okay.
Now next query is city. Select city
Yes.
from salesman table. City done. Now fifth query. Now 50 done. I have taken value randomly like here greater than 5 and
Yes.
less than 3. And here 6 query. So this is the 6 query. Now order
Okay.
table created. Here I have created constant that you as you told, sir, for the
Okay.
salesman's customer order and salesman's order.
Okay.
Now here inserting value if I describe. Sorry, order. So by it is,
I think some naming issue.
yeah, maybe, sir, orders. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
this is the order table. Now value inserted. Now these are the value I have filled in the orders.
Okay.
Now using the natural join. So here I have used natural join.
Okay.
Now next to display the name and cities of the salesman who belongs to Delhi. So I have taken random city. You gave sir a Paris city like that, but I have taken city on the base of database. So this
Okay.
is the Rahul Sharma is coming.
Hmm.
Now next query is which grade is 10. Uh, So here is the next query. Now here fourth query. Yes, this is the last query I think. Yeah, done sir. And sir,
Okay.
I have a question like I have created a table using constant. So
Yes.
the constant column that I have created, so is there any way to show it? Like if I run that, if I check the select star from
Hmm.
orders, then the constant column are not coming.
No, no. What you have to do, you have to do select star from orders, then natural join customer, then natural join salesman. No,
Yeah.
you are done. Select star from orders, and then you are just putting the semicolon together. So you have write again. You have to write totally. Okay,
Okay, okay, sir.
just like okay, just a minute. I'm showing you. Okay. And one more thing. I'm just writing the details like write a SQL statement to display name city of salesman who belongs to the city of Paris. You are not done this?
No, sir. I have taken instead of Paris, I have taken Delhi, sir,
Okay,
because Delhi is in my database. Therefore, I think there is the city. Yeah, this is the query. Display the name and city of salesman
okay,
who belongs to Delhi.
okay.
Yeah.
Just
सर
yes.
सर कांस्टेंट आरएक ब्रेक टू बोले थे
Okay, go ahead. Just a minute. Okay, I sent the link in the group, I think. Where I sent the SQL database link, anyone
In
know?
the project group, sir, WhatsApp.
Okay, okay, okay. Just a yes. Yes. Sandeep, you do one thing.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Whenever you created the constant part, go there.
Yeah.
Okay. Select star from orders. You do. Now remove. Okay. Now again, copy the thing. Select star from orders. Simply. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Copy.
The copy, then paste in the next line.
New line or here
New
next.
line. New line. Yes.
Below down. बिल्कुल new.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
New
Okay.
line. Remove semicolon. Now write natural join. What is that table name? Customer. Then again natural join. Salesman. Now semicolon put. Now run it. This is the query. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Now show DSC orders, I think. See natural join. Okay, the table is created. Now, when you put the data, I think select star from order. Now just write select star from orders.
Okay, sir.
Select star from orders. Select star from orders. And simply put semicolon. It is collected to customer ID it is taken and salesman ID it is taken from the column. Okay, just checking. What's the issue? Is there?
Sir, I think it is showing only orders rows, orders columns.
No, actually, whenever you created the thing, me totally seeing because in when I do, I already it is showing me total portion. Okay, so that's the thing I am asking why it is not showing.
Maybe the issue while creating like a order table.
Because salesman ID would be there. What column when you do this select star from orders, then natural join customer, natural join salesman. This whole query will see you the result when salesman ID, city, customer ID, order number, purchase amount, order date, customer name, grade, name, commission. Whole table was there. Okay, whole table
Yes,
it will
sir.
show. See, this thing.
Yeah,
See,
it is showing.
yes, yes.
Yes.
Whole table is joining. So this is the right. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Salesman ID, name, city, customer ID, order number, purchase amount, order date, grade, commission. The common parts they are actually joined each other, and totally it is showing the table.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay. So Sandeep, you do one thing. If possible, please store the data ID right like 3007, 3005 that already I send you in the SQL database. That link
Uh,
I am sending you, right?
ID for what? Salesman ID or customer ID, sir?
No, no, I am just requesting you that please storing the data accordingly what I have sent the link because
Okay, okay, okay,
on
sir.
the basis of that link there are some queries I created.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so
Yeah,
do one thing. You please not deleting this whole thing. You please do it in Azure way and just creating again any other database and then totally create three tables again and all the things. Okay, for
yeah.
the data
Okay,
storing.
okay, sir.
It's
Okay,
just
okay.
taking little bit time plus, but please do it
Yeah,
for
sure, sir. No issue.
okay.
We'll do it.
Okay. Sandeep, you please not stop sharing screen. You just open it. I am just doing the thing of SQL constant to Akash. Okay, so I am again telling all of you what is the SQL constant.
Sir, SQL constant is like that. Like if we take up a example of primary key, like in the
Yes.
primary key there is a null value, not null value, and there
Hmm.
will be a unique value. But in constant, there may be another authentication also have.
Yes,
Like
yes.
all the possibility we can like can't empty, can't unique will be, and can't duplicate, cannot enter the duplicate. All the things come
Yes,
in.
actually, for all SQL constant, there are some rules for the data or table creation or data entry. There are actually some rules are there. So these rules are actually called constants when or that we can apply on the type of the data, which type of the data in a table. Sandeep, you please scroll up whenever the table is created. Any table. You please go on the order table. It will be better.
నీ ఇష్టం అంటున్నావు
Okay. Yes. Just down it. Okay. So see,
కట్టు
little.
పొంగల్ ఉంది
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
నీ ఇష్టం
Okay. See. Uh, SQL constant. First, basic things. What is a SQL constant? SQL constants are. I'm just writing a single line. Constants are some rules that we can apply on the type of data in the table. So if you just simply do it or know in a single line what is the SQL constant. So constants are some rules that we can apply on the type of the data in the table. See for the create table orders. So here you Sandeep, what Sandeep do, order number is a column name. Numeric means what type of value it will be, like number, numeric value, variable character like varchar value or not. So it will be done and is mentioning the range. Okay. Then it is putting primary key. Okay. So order number column act as an primary key. He can also write these things, means order ord, I'm writing in the short, order number ord num, then there comes numeric. Okay, then I just put the limit. Then what we put this place, we put, is it a primary key? Okay, I'm just writing primary key. Obviously we can put is not null. Okay, obviously we can write noted, not some quotes last time, as I do not recall nothing down. Sir, I think I might have not noted some queries. Just a minute. Noted some queries last time, as I do not recall nothing. Will join queries soon, or I don't may I ask you. So more all the queries we have to do near the end of the class. Mehul, I will describe all the things, no issue. Or ord num numeric 10. So this is the basic line. Then after that, what we have mentioning here, is it a primary key, is it not null, is the unique, all the things we are mentioning. আকাশ এটা মনে পড়ছে যখন আমরা এই কলামটা, যখন when we are writing these things, then we
Yes,
mentioning primary key, not null,
yes, I think
unique or foreign key. So these things are called actually SQL constants.
But in the order table, there is written that constant customer order. That's why I asked that.
Oh, sorry, that is constant customer order. That is directly reference. I think little bit of confusion here. Constant customer order. Just I'm checking my query. Salesman ID integer. Customer ID also integer. Okay. Constant customer order. Constant customer order. Oh, okay. See, this thing he is writing when the table is creation. Okay, in that place when you putting value in order table, it will be act just like unique customer order or primary key customer order or null not null customer order. This thing constant is something like the rules that we can apply on the type of the data in the table. I am repeating again and repeated all the times that when create table means it will show or it will create the backbone of your table, how it is look like. Here I using constant term, not a particular primary key term, not a particular another term, but foreign key, and foreign key needs to be mentioned because it directly connected to customer table. That's why I am mentioning foreign key directly here. That's why I'm connecting, mentioning the salesman ID here, because it directly connected to the salesman table and customer table. But when we creating table, we are not mentioning directly, just mentioning constant here, constant here. When we putting the values or putting the data, then you can see we mentioning, is it a not null, Is it a unique or is it a primary key?
Oh, then we can change the value later,
Yes,
right?
yes, that's upon your choice. Which thing
Okay,
you are do.
okay, okay.
In many types of basically five constants used most time, like not null, unique, primary key, foreign key, and check. There will be there check and default for the default data, and whether the thing is checking or not. That the thing we used, but most of the time key is unique, not null, and default. This is actually used. So when we create table, we writing constant. When we putting the values, because this is a format, how format our table will look like. And when we putting the things, putting the data or tuple insert, actually tuple insert is calling in the data insertion in database. So when we tuple insert in our table, then we write primary key or not null or unique or three things together. So this is the basic SQL constant.
Okay,
Okay.
clear. Yeah.
Okay. So okay, I'm repeating again for all the queries. Okay, just a second. I suggest you all what the link I am providing in the chat sorry, in the last class. Okay, I think I providing in the chat box also. That SQL link, there all the data are there. You please store the data accordingly. Okay, not changing anything, because the assignment is based upon that data. So I have all the queries. I am repeating again from first to last how many queries you have to do. Okay, simple thing, you please write down. Write SQL statement, and whoever done all the things, you can check it to display all the information from salesman table. And one more thing, this before giving the SQL database link, I am already asked you for assignment one and all the things that is already discussed, because there are six queries are there, and what is the problem and what is the solution already discussed. So then what is the next step? Phrase, in a phrase you create these three tables: salesman, customer, orders, how the table will be created, all the things, and which data you have to store. I already sent you the link. Now next part you can starting from today, this is the query, main queries that you have to do. Okay. uh,
Sir, data storage is done by me.
Okay, okay, no issue. Then this is the then these queries that I am giving from today, because little bit confusion which before six queries and after six queries, then what is the connected. So there is a little bit confusion, but I am clearing from all today. And this is the main starting of the queries which we have to do on the basis of the data that you already stored. So from the salesman table you have to do again, say, to display all the information from salesman table. So I'm not again giving the specifically showing the name, commission for all. Moving just a okay. Yes. Write SQL statement to display the columns, and please note the queries once. because when I discuss about the result, I will ask the query sequentially. So the thing is, please note it down in a specific order. Like order date and ID. Okay. All three, please done. Told me if all the three is done or not.
Done, sir.
So
All
without
of
repeat means a distinct value, right?
yes. Actually, the query is like distinct value you have to do. Agas, you done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Um. I think Sandeep sharing. Sandeep, you can stop share. Akash, you share now.
Just a minute, sir.
Yes. And Akash, you already completed the data storing, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mehul, please note it down. If any problem, you can message me in the chat box.
Hmm.
Okay.
I have created two types of table. Like one is normal creation and one is with constant. Normal creation
Normal
table
creation and constant
means
what you
there
have
are
to.
no primary key or foreign key like that. In say table number customer one, order one, and salesman one, there is no primary key and foreign key. I was trying to for that in natural join, so that's why I created those tables.
Okay. Okay. Uh, you write the query. You write the queries where in there or in a notebook.
In here, sir.
Okay. Okay. So okay. Third query is already done. Now the fourth one. Just a minute. Write SQL statement. to display names, comma, city of salesman who belongs to the city Paris. Okay, so let's complete this five first. Fourth one is write SQL statement to display name city of salesman who belongs to the city Paris. Write a SQL statement to display all the informations for those customers with a grade of 200. Okay. So tell me, I am just asking one by one name. So what type of query? The first one, tell me again, whatever it look like. The first query, write a SQL statement to display all the information of all salesmen. It's a simple, right? Select star from salesman, the table name. Akash, show this query.
So oh, sorry.
Okay, so this is the table where we already show the all details of salesman. Okay, now the next is write a query to display the columns in a specific order. Okay, like order date, salesman, order by, salesman ID, order number, purchase amount for all the orders. Tell me what type of things or how we can showcase this. How we can showcase this? Simply, you just here it is not done or not informed that you have to do or use order by, like you showcase the all information particularly in a column order by wise. It is not said. What it is said, display the columns in a specific order one by one, like order date, salesman ID, order number, purchase amount for all the others. Okay, so select, then it will be like ORD, order, right, Akash? Order
Yeah.
underscore date, ORD date, then comma salesman ID, then comma order number.
Sir, salesman underscore ID,
Yes,
comma.
order number. What you have right? ORD.
I
You
didn't
check
remember.
what is the doing you order number and order date. What you have right?
Salesman, customer.
The salesman.
Customer values, orders, values.
This is you
Order
create
table.
the order, creating the order table.
Yes,
Check in the schema, it is easy to check.
DSC order. Let's try it. Order number.
Okay.
That
Order date you write ORDER.
order.
No,
No,
here you just order
order date,
number.
right?
Here order date it will be right. First one select ORDER. Yes, order date, and this is the salesman ID. This is correct, and then ORD underscore number. Last one. Yes, underscore NO. Then comma PURCH purchase amount PURCH underscore amount AMT from
Some,
the table name orders or what you have used.
yes, orders.
Yes. Okay. Now semicolon. Run it. So this is the result. Here the mentioned is in a specific order you have to showcase the all the columns from order table like order date, salesman ID, order number, purchase amount. So we done this. Next one, write a query to display the value of salesman ID getting orders from all the customers in orders table without any repeat. In a single word, if I describe it, it is asked, show me the salesman ID without not from the customers in order table. Okay, show me the salesman ID from the orders table without any repetition. So the thing is, write down Akash, select or distinct, select distinct, DISTINCT, distinct salesman ID from orders. Okay, now run it. So this is the thing you can get whole or details of salesman ID from the customers in order tables. Actually, it is asking from the order tables and there are no repetition. Okay, no repetition is there. So one more thing is, Akash, you please give a space after 70 line.
Yes, yes.
70 line. Yes, okay. So these things are there. Now number four. Number four is write a SQL statement to display name city of salesman who belongs to the city of Paris. So the simple way, just a second. Okay, so please write down. Actually, what it wants only names and city from salesman table where the names you got is exactly lives in the city Paris. Okay, so the query just write a SQL statement to display name city of salesman who belongs to the city of Paris. So write down select name comma city, name comma city from the table name, that is salesman, from salesman, and where city is equal to in a in a, I think, quotation Paris. Yes, obviously string value. Check it is run or not. Okay, so see, nail knight, yes, nail knight is there. MC Leon, yes, MC Leon is there. So these two persons or these two are the salesman that belongs to the city of Paris.
Yeah, we can write city in Paris also.
You please check who doing this. Okay.
So we can give equals to also city equals to Paris only.
That the thing I am doing previous. That the thing I'm doing previous, right? Where city is equal to Paris. That the thing
Yes.
I'm doing. Actually,
Okay,
this is
sir.
the mostly used. So whatever is it possible, city is equal to Paris or city in Paris, you can do.
Okay, sir.
And the next query is write a SQL statement to display all the information for those customer with a grade of 200. Write a SQL statement to display all the information for those customer. Okay, so customer means we have to write or we have to check in customer table with a grade of 200. So the query would be like select star from customer. What the customer table name, Akash?
So
Customers.
customer. No, no, customer. Just only customer, I think.
Okay, okay,
Uh, yeah, customer.
okay. Select star from customer where grade is equal to 200. Run it. Okay. See, this is the result. 2003, 2005, 2007. Zosie Altidore, yes, Zosie's Altidore is there. Graham UC, yes, he is also there. Brad Davies, this is also there. New York, California, Moscow, 200, 5007, 5002, 5001. So this is the result for showcasing the customer whose grade 200. So this is the top 5 queries from starting. All of you clear these 5 queries already done in your workbench. All
Yes,
of
sir.
you.
Yes, sir.
Sai, Sefali, Mehul, Abriti. All of you done this?
Yes, sir, but I have done with my own data. I will upload the database today and I will do again these queries.
Yes, please do it because this is an assignment and actually
Yeah,
on the
sir.
basis of
Actually,
the
I didn't
data
know about that, that we have to upload that database.
you have to. I already tell you in the last class that I'm giving
Yeah,
the.
sir. I didn't listen about that.
Okay, okay. No issue, but please do it. Now, the
Yes,
next
sir.
5 queries I'm giving and then it will solve. Five done, like 6. Okay, this is a little bit long query. Write SQL statement to display the order number followed by order date and purchase amount for each order which will be delivered by the salesman who is holding ID 5001. Number 7, write a query to display all the customers with a grade above 100. Number 8, okay, not number 8. I am changing the query. Number 7, write a query to display all the customers at this from New York. So the query is write a query to display all the customers from New York with a grade above 100. Write these two.
Done, sir.
Okay, just a minute. Six, seven, eight. To display all the customers who lives in New York. Sorry, who either lives in New York or had a grade above 100. Number 9, okay. Same query means write SQL statement to display all the customers who either lives in New York or I'm writing this thing or not having a grade above 100. Number 10, same query, okay, who lives neither in New York nor had a grade above 100. Okay. Write down this 5 query. Then we will move for the solution. If done, then tell me.
Done, sir.
Okay, all of you, please.
Yeah, done, sir.
Okay. Mehul done. Abriti done.
Back second.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now move for the result. Okay. So write the sixth query is write a SQL statement to display the order number. Okay. To display the order number. Just a minute, I'm writing down. Exact. This is also done. This is also done. So write a SQL statement to display the order number followed by order date. Okay. And the purchase amount for each order which will be delivered by the salesman who is holding the ID 5001. If I carefully mention the see the query, write a SQL statement to display order number followed by order date and the purchase amount. So which three column we have to show? Order number followed by order date, purchase amount. So order number, order date, purchase amount. These three column we have to show. For which table? This table will be obviously from order table where there is a salesman ID column. From that salesman ID, who is holding the ID 5001. This is actually they want to show. So the query will be like select ORD underscore number in order number ORD underscore no comma order date. I think yes, order underscore date comma purchase amount PURCH comma AMT from orders where salesman ID is equal to 5001. Yes, semicolon. Now run it. See, this is the result that what we asked, write a SQL statement to display the order number followed by order date and purchase amount where every order which will be delivered by the salesman who holding sorry, the salesman ID 5001. So these all the details, order number, accordingly order date and purchase amount form a single salesman which whose ID 5001. Okay, so this is the result. Clear everyone with this thing?
Yes, sir.
Now moving on the next query, write a query statement to display all customers in New York who have a grade value above 1000. It's a simple customers table, I think. Select star from customer where city is equal to New York in a inverted comma.
Small h. No.
No, এটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি নিয়ে নেবে, আগেরটা প্যারিস নিয়ে নিয়েছিল, এটাও নিয়ে নেবে, স্মল লেখো বা ওকে। নো 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 নো, দেয়ার আর ওয়ান মোর থিং, and obviously and and grade greater than 100, then semicolon. Okay, so what they are asked that write a query to display all the customers in New York who have a grade value above 100. So we have to find out the customer name who lives in New York, and obviously he had the grade value greater than 100. So this is the result. Brad Davies is the customer name who lives in New York, who grade is 200, obviously, and obviously salesman ID is 5001. So the next query is which is done. Okay, 1 minute. I just okay. This is okay. So the eighth one, write a SQL statement to display all customers who are either belongs to the city in New York or had a grade above 100. Okay, for solving this table I am breaking the things. Okay, first actually do the perfect answer for the eighth query. Write a SQL statement to display all customers who are either belongs to the city New York or had a grade above 100. Okay, checking these things means the query asks it is not together, means leaving New York having the grade greater than 100. It is only for the one person, Brad Davies. Now for this query they are asking show me the result for the, or show me the customer names, only customers names, okay, who live in New York or who have the grade greater than 100. So they are wanting that thing. Select star from, okay, select star from customer where city is equal to New York, just and change into or. Okay, these things is there. Now run it. So this is the result. Oh, no, just
Customer
hide.
names.
Yes, only just select customer names.
Mm.
Not. I think just single name is there.
Mm.
Customer
CUST
table.
name.
Customer table.
CUST underscore name.
Not S. I think CUST. Yes, names is there.
Yes, sir.
S. Okay, first name. Okay. Now the answer is Nick Rimando, Brad Davies, Graham Juicy. Yes, Graham Juicy is there. Julian Green is there or not? Check Julian Green is there or not. Akash, scroll down. No, not this thing, not this thing. Result. Check the result.
That's okay.
Julian, yes, Julian
Okay.
Green is there. Fabrian Johnson is there. Josie Altidore is there. Okay. Now I'm just checking is our result is right or no. Select, write down in the next line. Select, copy the code, paste. Okay. Now remove from grade, remove from or grade. Yes, remove from grade and before or.
before or
Remove
total.
it. Total remove it. Remove it. Okay. Run it. Nick Rimando, Brad Davies. Okay, Nick Rimando, Brad Davies. Now copy the 80 line, copy the 80 line. 80. Yes. Copy it and write down it. Now remove where city from New York and remove it. Space. Now run it. Joji Altidore, Fabian Johnson, Graham Juicy, Brad Davies, Julian Green. Okay. So our result is perfectly correct. Why? Because first query that is asked, main query that is asked, select the customer name from the table who either live in the city, New York, or having the grade greater than 100. So I check separately that customer names who lives in the New York City and the customers names who have the grade and 100. So these two are already showing in our actual query result. So our query is absolutely correct. Akash, remove 81 and 82 query. 81 and 82. Okay. Our next query is write a SQL statement to display all the customers who are either belongs to the city New York or not having the grade above 100. How we can do? Simply we can use the previous one query, the previous query, just changing a small sign. Akash, please copy the code 80. Write it. They asked write a SQL statement to display all the customers who are either belongs to the city New York or not have above grade 100. Just changing greater than sign from less than is equal to sign. Okay, right. Just run it. So this is the name Nick Rimando, Brad Davies, Geoff Cameron. Those live in city or not having the grade above 100. So this is the result. Now moving on to the next. Neither live in New York nor nor having the grade 100. Okay, same, copy it from the 80 code, 80 code 80. Copy the code 80, select customer name from customer where city. Yes.
Not
Now
equal to.
not equal to me where, after where write not, after where write not, then starting a first bracket. Yes. Then in between or grade is equal to 100 and close the first bracket. Oh, no, New York, after New York, close it. Yes. Then close it after 100.
Like
Now
that.
run it. Yes. Now run it.
So can you repeat the query again?
Write a SQL query to display those customers who are neither belongs to the city New York nor having the grade value more than 100.
But here grade is more than 100. So
No. I what I am doing? I am doing not. I
okay,
am
okay,
doing
okay.
not
Yeah.
outside the bracket. Okay.
Yes, sir, yes,
Now,
sir.
now you run the code.
Yeah,
Yes, G of Cameron is the result. Who not live in the city New York nor grade greater than 100. Okay. Select from customer where city New York and for number 10. Okay, let's check this thing. Write down Akash, select customer name underscore name from customer where city greater than is equal to greater no where city greater than, sorry, first of all less than, then greater than sign, less than, then greater than sign, then in the inverted comma New York
Not equal to sign.
and grade
New York
and
and
grade less is equal to 100. Run it. It actually work because this is the not equal to sign. Okay, so what this Mehul has done, see, he uses the not is equal to sign, that is less than greater than. Okay, and also there I mention not even grade, the not even grade greater than 100, so uses he less than is equal to 100, so we can actually do this also. Thank you, Mehul. So all the next five query already done. All of you understand what the result and how we can do this. All of you, please
Yes,
respond.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now moving on, the next for, you can please write down these things in your for home. Okay. Just a second. I'm giving 11. Okay. Write query to sort out those, please write it quickly, customers with all informations whose ID value within any of 3007, 3008, 3009, 12. Write a query to produce a list of salesman ID, name, comma, city, and commission of each salesman who lives in cities other than Paris and Rome. Write this too. Write query to sort out those customers with all informations whose ID value within any of 3007, 3008, 3009. Write query to produce a list of salesman ID, name, city, and commission of each salesman who lives in cities other than Paris and Rome. Sorry, Paris or Rome. Done?
Done, sir.
Everyone, please respond. Done or not? Done?
Sir, एक second.
Okay, quick. I hope this is the done.
हाँ sir.
Okay. Write SQL statement to display either those orders which are not issued on date दो हजार 09/10 and issued by the salesman whose ID 5005 and below, or those orders. Means issued by the salesman whose ID is 5005 and below, or sorry, 1 minute, I'm checking the things. Yes, and below, or those orders purchase amount is 1000.0 and below. Please carefully read this query when you solve. This is a very big query, but answer will be in a single line.
Sir, what is the date issued on date?
What is this? 2012 09 10th means 10th
Okay, sir.
of September. I think September. Yes, September. Which are not issued on date eto and issued by the salesman. No, 9th means January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Yes, September. 9th September. What type of data you store there? Check it. 10th September or 9th September, what they give us result, please check it there. What type of
Okay,
data?
sir.
Means you have to show the display the orders which are not issued and that date and by the salesman ID that or below, or the order purchase amount is that or and below. This thing, these things is you have to solve. Now the next one. Write SQL statement to display salesman ID, name, city, and commission within the range more than 0.10% and less than 0.12%. Write SQL query to display salesman ID, name, city, and commission within the range more than 0.10% and less than 0.12%.
Done, sir.
Done, everyone? Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Number query. Write query to display all orders where purchase amount less than 200 or exclude those orders which order date is or greater than 10th Feb 2012 and customer ID below 3009. Write query to display all orders where purchase amount less than 200 or exclude those orders which uh, order date is on or greater than 10th is on or greater than 10th Feb 2012 customer and customer ID below 3009.
Done, sir.
write query to find those salesmen with all information who come from the city London. This with this query added one thing, who comes from the city Paris and Rome. First one Paris or Rome. This is Paris and Rome, and separately London. So this is the 17 number query. I think 10 queries remaining. Yes, 10 queries remaining that will be complete in the next day. So next day our assignment, I think it should be completed with the 27 queries. Clear everyone? Done with this? Having
Yes,
any
sir.
issue for queries or anything else? Sefali,
No,
Mehul,
sir.
Abriti, Shubham, Akash, all clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for joining. Akash, you can stop share now. Tomorrow, I think I will take. Yes, I will take project, not class. I will take project for tomorrow, and please make sure those salesmen who came from the 17th query from the city very soon is the yes, that is the 17th query, Mehul. Okay, so I will take the project class for tomorrow, and if possible, then I will take the again one more database class for Saturday. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you.